Hey everyone, welcome to our achievements by Ice Lighting. In this video I'm going to show you all 3 golds for the 1000 needle thread, which is part of the Kalidmor Cup. Now if you're only interested in the advance or the reverse, I should have put in the comments a time skip so you can go straight to them. So let's get started with the standard. First off, actually, I want to say I am no dragon riding expert, so just because I say something doesn't mean it's right. But what I've done with this one is I've sped it up because this, to me, was one of the easiest standard races to do. The hardest part was that bit there that I just went through, where you have a bridge and a rock that are quite close together. As long as you stay roughly in the middle of all these circles, you don't really need to worry too much about boosting. You can see my bar is full at the moment. I'm barely boosting. I even missed that wind buff. I think the hardest part perhaps is the unpredictable tornado, water tornadoes? I can't think of the word, what they're called. But those things that could knock you out. I didn't have a problem with any of them, but saying that, you therefore probably will. But there you go. So that's the gold, and you can see I did bronze, silver and gold all in one. So on to the advance. I have sped this one up quite a bit because this course is relatively simple, and you shouldn't really have too much of a problem with it. The only things that I have to say about this one is obviously use your vigor as soon as it's available, and relatively clear path is in front of you, so obviously don't boost into a wall. As long as you can see where you're going, just boost, because it's easy to do if you just go straight forward. The only other thing I would mention obviously is avoid the swirly things. You can see that the course, it is pretty much straightforward. There's a few rocks that are gonna possibly challenge you, but out of all of the courses, this is probably one of the easiest to do on advanced. It was one of the first ones I did on advanced, and trust me, there are some horrible ones out there that I will show you later. But there you go, that is the gold on the advanced. So next up is the reverse, which is basically the course reversed. Now all the reverses are in a way advanced as well. You will expect to have no extra boost being given to you, only the blue dot figures that you see in the advanced course, so don't expect this to be easy. Again, it's the same course, we're just doing it backwards, so in theory it's simple again. You shouldn't have too much of a problem with it, and again I've sped this one up because it is, as I said, one of the easiest courses. There is no horrible things that jump out and get you. There are no overhanging trees or invisible blocks that you're going to smack into and ruin your run. This one really is a relatively easy one. So there you have it. So I hope you found this video useful. As always, thanks for watching, and subscribe to see what else I'm up to.